Okay, it's about 10 o'clock, we've just set off and the weather's looking favourable but a bit damp underfoot. First climb of the day and it's only just got started. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a minute when we get a little bit further down on the proper cycle track. Well, this is where the visitor centre is and where everything starts happening. It's a beautiful place. Check the bridge out. Fabulous sulphur, just hope the weather rolls out. Here we are, the first one. Fabulous, isn't it?
Falling all around. Time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged for such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it came, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. I ramble on, and now the time is now. Sing my song, I'm going round the world, I gotta find my girl on my way. This way, 10 years to the day. Ramble on, find the queen of all my dreams. Got no time for spreading news. The time has come to be gone. And though our health we drank 1,000 times, it's time to ramble on.
Definitely the business, this is. Bring you back in a minute. I think I've got a bit to do, a bit of navigating in a minute.
treading boots. The time has come to jump. So I held regret 1,000 times. Nothing to that.
Bit of road work now. Could go up there, but not today. I'll bring you back in a minute. Look at that for a view. That's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I love it here. It's the best place I've ever been for cycling. Look at where we're going. It's great, isn't it? This is a bit I'm dreading. It's 1.7 mile of torture and climbing. It's a little bit better than I thought. It's a bit rock and roll and it's steep, but we're doing it. I need both hands on the bars. I'll put this in my pocket. I'll bring you back in a minute when I get a bit closer to the top, wherever that is. It's a bit of a climb. And there's no end in sight. I reckon another 2 miles before we get to the summit. Anyway, better than being at home. Bring you back in a minute. That's where we've been, and that's where we're going. That's a bit of a climb, isn't it? Anyway, onwards and upwards. Well, it's been an epic ride so far. All kinds of different terrain. This bit here was a killer. Really rocky.
Now I smell the rain, and with it
Anyway, I'm loving it. It's been great. Glad I came. Bike's been flawless. Absolutely flawless.
Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. I ramble on, and now the time is now. Sing my song, I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years till the day. Ramble on, gonna find the queen of all.
With that eye, my ears have popped. Now, if you look over there, you can see the trail we've come down, and then what we're coming up now. This has got to be nearly the highest point. Look what's coming! Oh, I've got to put the camera away for this. This is going to be brilliant. Descents are epic.
Mine's a tale that can't be told. My freedom I hold dear. How years ago, in days of old, when magic filled the air, just in the darkest depths of Mordor, I met a girl so fair, but Gollum, the evil one, crept up and slipped away.